welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm CUTICLE18 and I love nails. So today I'm going to be showing you how I created this beautiful space set. Stay tuned. Okay, so we are cleaning off with some alcohol, getting the nails nice and clean and dehydrated, and then we are going in with some 3XL or about 3XL like tapered square tips. And guys, this is how I've been measuring my nails for myself and my clients, just to make sure my lengths are always on point, because I was cutting it by by ear. Ear or eyes? Be one that just a little off. I'm like, what the heck? So now I'm like, okay, now exact measurements only. So all I did was put these forms together, like stick them together. There's like about 4 forms here. Then I took really thick, clear, like Scotch tape or whatever, and put it over it, cut it out. I'll show you how I did it, but it's so simple. And I use this to measure my lengths and my clients. And now everybody's nails are the same perfect length. So I'm just showing you the design portion because the nails are just a beige. What is it? I'm using Mia Secret's Cover Beige. That's all it is. And you guys have seen me apply my acrylic so many times, but this one is more about the design. Okay, so as you see, I'm going in with that nail gill, but like that's just a black gel polish, to be honest. That came with some of my like cat eye kind of galaxy whatever metallic gel polish. It came with that, but like you can use any black underneath. Okay, any black gel polish. So this is how I make my little Frenches. I take the brush itself, brush on half the nail, and then I use, these are my NAILZzz by Nicole J brush liners, and liner brushes. And I use that to like make the French, and then I fill it in. So on this set, I think only my pointer was Frenched, and the ring finger was Frenched. Yeah. But yeah, this is how I French tip my nails. You guys still let me know how you do it. You can, I'm not sure if you guys do it differently than me, but this is the most comfortable way for me. It gets everything nice and as even as possible. And then I kind of just eye it and fill in where I need it. I will say my NAILZzz by Nicole J nail brushes, like I said, I bought her set. I'm not endorsed, I'm not sponsored, she didn't pay me, she didn't send me anything for free. I found her on a Facebook nail group, and then I was looking for the best like brushes, what should I buy, and you know, she recommended her brushes, and other people was like, yeah, her brushes are really good. I purchased the set, and I'm not disappointed. I still use my Winstonia's nail brushes as well, but like that's because I probably have used 3 or 4 of these, and I just need to do a little something in color with the other with that brush. But I am like pretty much just using her brushes for nail art, to be honest, and I love it. So definitely check it out. You don't have to buy a whole set. Try one, just try one, and I don't think you'll be disappointed. But they work for me, and she's a great seller. She's a nail tech, and she's really sweet. She's actually a really sweet woman. So follow her as well on Instagram and Facebook and stuff like that. I will leave her in the description box below. So yeah, the rest of my nails, my thumb, the middle finger, the pinky, I just do like a swirl. That's it. I swirl it, and then I take the brush and I kind of like refine it. So as you can see, just moving the brush and making it really cute, making it even, getting all the color where I want it, and making a little swirl design. Now you could do this a full on nail or not. It's up to you. I think it would look really good if you did all of it black, like did all the nails black and did like a full on galaxy kind of, you know, Guardians of the Galaxy kind of nail set. That would be so dope. That would be dope. I did it this way because I still wanted some of the nude to show, whatever. But I think yeah, it would be gorgeous. It would be really gorgeous. So if you try these designs out, tag me. If you have Instagram or whatever, tag me. I would love to see you guys try out these designs and these sets for sure. It was fun to do. This is why I love our little nail community that we built here on my channel, because we just have fun. Like I said, I said before, and I'll continue to say, sitting at my nail table doing nails. I also sit at my nail table and like pray and read my Bible. So like that is legit my space of peace. You know what I mean? Like ultimate peace right there. My nails, my Bible, and my coffee, and I'm great. Like I'm set. I'm solid. Anyway, so I cure every time I do a finger. I cure it for 60 seconds. And then I do a full cure of the hand once they're all done again for 60 seconds. Why? Because black gel polish, whether you put a little bit or a lot of it, sometimes it just don't be doing a bit. You know, y'all know what I mean. Sometimes it don't cure right, it bubbles. So I may be over curing, but I don't care. So what I'm doing is I'm taking this Savvyland brush that I had got from way back. It's not the best, but it's good enough to do this with. And I'm mixing 2 of my like cat eye gel polishes, and I'm just mixing it in. Now, I did not do the cat eye effect with the magnet, not on purpose, because I legit forgot. I'm not even gonna hold you. I forgot. I literally put the thing on, cured it, and said, oh, wait a minute. I could have, okay. I don't think it killed the design, though, especially since I was going to do matte over it. It definitely didn't kill the design. But, yeah, if you want, you should definitely use the magnet, because that's what these are, the cat eye gel polishes. But y'all know your girl's a hot mess. Y'all know I'm a mess. I'm a mess, but I love the mess that I am. So all I'm doing is just sporadically just adding the color in, right? I wanted to have different layers, different colors, different effects, and that's why I'm doing it. And then you'll see me go in with my nail art brush again and kind of like, you know how the old school, you know, back in the day, in the 90s, you know, 2000s, they did the marble where they put the colors and then you just take a semi-wet brush and just drag it. That's pretty much what I'm doing, as you see, just dragging it. I don't know, it was just fun. I just wanted to try it, that's all. There's no rhyme or reason here. I'm just having fun and enjoying myself, and that's it. And that's what we're here to do. And it just gave it a little fun whatever. Because it's not like you can actually see like the lines of the marble. It was just kind of like pulling one of the purplish marbly color into the gray marbly cat eye color. That's all it was doing. And as you can see, it's not perfect. Like, you see how it's coming out? All you do is take your cleanup brush and clean it up. And that's it. That's it. Nothing else, nothing more, nothing more, nothing less. And then once you clean it up, as you'll see me do, just like that, I cure my whole hand for 60 seconds. Like I said, these are cat eye gel polishes, so you can definitely use the magnet to give it even more of a space kind of effect if you wanted to. I didn't, not for no reason besides I forgot. But the nails still came out dope. So you can do it my way or actually use the magnet. It's up to you. Okay, so once everything's nice and cured, you just start adhering some stickers. I got these space stickers. You saw it in my last SHEIN haul. And I did ask you guys, should I do a space set? So this is for you guys who said, heck yeah, do a space set. Now, these other stickers, as you can see on my right hand, were from the Doodle Nail set. So I'm going to leave those linked in the description box below because I did get them from Amazon. And it was a lot of stickers in a little pack. So I'll leave these that I'm using right now, as you see, linked down below from Amazon, but the other stickers were from SHEIN. Like I said, I showed you guys in my last SHEIN haul. And y'all was like, yeah, let's do it. Let's do a space set. So I said, yeah. And in following the same theme of my doodle like nail, sketch nail hand, we just apply them randomly. I mean, these are nails and you want to have fun. Do what you want. These are your nails. Have fun with it. I just stuck planets and moons and stars and just was like, okay, let's just do this. And this is cute and this is nice. That's pretty much all I did. Like I said before, in the sketch art nails that I got from Baby Girl Nails, I love her channel. Same thing, press down, like really press down on these stickers really, 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 really hard. Then once you know there's no air bubbles or whatever, then I use my KUPA matte top coats to mattify everything. And of course, these are the matte. I love it. You could have definitely done it shiny, but I don't know. I've been in a matte mood lately. So yeah. And then just like I adhere my stones. Yeah, that's it. I put my spaceman on as he's right there up there. You see him? Yes. He came from SHEIN. You guys saw him in my last SHEIN haul. And that's it. I cure these for 60 seconds. And yeah. Boom. These are them. I loved this set. I loved doing this set. I got so many compliments from this set. It was so much fun. And I hope you guys like this set because you guys told me to do it. So yeah, this is for you guys. These came out gorgeous. I loved it. Like it kind of hurt me to take it off, but I took it off for a good reason because my goddaughter's birthday party's coming up and I'm doing a Sesame Street nails. Yes. And I want to show you guys my Sesame Street nails. So yeah, this is it, guys. Thank you guys so much. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Trying to build this channel. Share this video with everyone and anyone. And like I love to tell you guys, stay safe, stay blessed, stay prayed up. And yeah, until next time, I love you kitties so much. And bye, kitties.